Hello. Today, guys, we'll be doing the Intel Edison console block and the accelerometer, and of course a micro USB cable to send sensor data to our Heroku Cloud web app. Okay, and so the first part of this experiment is simply connecting your Intel Edison. Another thing you're gonna need a cloud service as well. So first thing, I'm gonna just connect the Edison to the console block, and it's literally a 70-pin connector. So you just kind of like that. You just snap it in there as well. And then after you have all the blocks connected, the sensor, the console block, and the Edison, now you just connect the micro USB here. Boom, we are ready to go. And that's our hardware part. Now we're going to move over to the software, setting up the Wi-Fi and our web app with Heroku. So now we're moving to setting up our Heroku cloud application. So first, just want to open up Safari. And we're going to go just google.com, and we're going to type in creating a REST API with Heroku. And so they'll be extensively there. And then we're going to create a web API with that platform. So here it has all the documentation you need for creating a REST API. This is going to be our web app and as well as our database that we'll be deploying. So I'm going to click on this button here to deploy the app on Heroku. You can create your own account. It's free. You should definitely do that. So I already have an account. So I'm just going to log in here. And for my login in, it's going to create our app. Create a new app, and we're going to give it a name here. So we're going to call it Silly. No, that's not a good name. Let's go with accel, all lowercase. Cool, we got it. So next thing we're going to do is going to click on this deploy button. So this is going to build our app platform on their website. Let's create a new app, build an app. All these things are handled by the service, which is magnificent, because if you have no background in building a database or creating a web app and hosting it on the platform, they handle all of that for you, which is great. So thank you, Heroku. We can view the app right here. We just click on this button, and there we have it. Boom! Our app is created. So next thing we're going to have to go to is we're going to go back. So we're going to click manage our app. So this is so we can download our app to our computer. So essentially we want to deploy the app here, and then if you it's loading up, we can clone the folder. Well, first before we clone, what you have to do is you have to download Heroku CLI. So this is going to be a download to your command line. So you can use the Heroku commands. If you have Windows, you have to use PuTTY. For my computer, I have to use Terminal. Either or. And I also have Linux as well, as you see down there. Then once you download it, you can just do Heroku login. And so we're going to go back a couple pages, and now we're going to log in. I'm assuming you have downloaded the Heroku CLI to your computer. This is my terminal application that I'm opening up here, and essentially what we can do is just do go back a couple of files, just do Heroku login. So enter your credentials there. So I'm just going to type in cuteswain@yahoo.com and my password, which you'd like to know. Okay, just gonna try it again. Okay, great. So just logged into Roku. Next thing you need to do is download the app. So I'm gonna go to another folder to save my app into. If you don't know Linux commands, very easy. CD is just going to different directories. LS is just looking at all of the files and folders that you have inside of that folder. Just think of it as a file searcher. That's pretty much all I'm doing. want to go here. So you want to copy this right here, and then you want to clone it. And so this is going to copy the folder inside of your area. Okay, and now that we have that folder copied, we can CD inside of it. So now we're going inside of the folder, and then with ls, as you see, it's nothing inside of there. But what I have done is, yes, nothing inside of there. So next up is going to our GitHub repository I created for this project. So you can follow this link. The link will also be in the description of this YouTube video for this to work. And so from this point, what you want to do is you want to download or clone the zip. We want to download the zip file. And while it's downloading the zip file, it's going to store this inside of our folders. So this is all the code that we need to make our app to work for all the updates and changes that we're going to have to do. So our folders is IoT_Edison, that's master, that's us. And we're going to go inside the web app folder. And now we just want to copy these files. Into our documents where we have our web app. So mine's inside of Exploding Technology. So boom, we're inside of accel. You just want to paste those items there. So now we have these items pasted. We can go back to our terminal. And then from here, we press ls. Boom! All our files are there. Great, great, great. We're making great progress. So the next point is to follow these git commands. If you don't know about git is basically how to manage and upgrade your files. So the first thing you have to do is git add dot. That's what I did. Press enter after each command. Then you do git commit. And now you want to push to the Heroku master. So now we're just going to push that to the Heroku master. And as you watch it build the source, it's deploying it to the Heroku cloud service, and it's just showing us its logs as it works successfully. So now it's launching, and let's check out what we just added to our website. So now if we go back to our website, accel, where is it? Yes. Nope. Okay, that's not it. Yes, here we go. We just update. Boom! We made changes to the website. How about that? Now, isn't that cool? And to check out these changes ourselves, what exactly I do, I can show you how to edit it and make your own changes. So if you go back to where you save the folder, if you go into the list, you go to open with, then you can choose any editor you want. So there, you can change the name of it to Keelan, to your own name. So we're going to change it to accel. Yeah. I'm going to change the title of our website. Okay. So the way we're going to do that is just putting that information right there. You can put your own name. You can put your pet giraffe. You can put your elephant. You can put your nickname. Anything you want to put. It's up to your wildest imagination what you want to do here. I'm just going to keep it simple, just for this sakes. And now we have to update the cloud server with our new code. We're going to use the git commands that we used earlier. And git dash n, we're going to put a message inside of there. And then we're going to push this data to our code. So now the code is pushed. It's been built succeeded. Great job. So now let's see the changes we made. If you look here, we should see the name change to accel info, and there we have it, guys. We were officially doing web development. I know you thought you weren't gonna do that as an IoT project, but it's very Heroku made this very simple and easy for us to scale our project. And so now we need to shift over to the Edison. So we just open up a new tab here. And for my Edison, you gotta have to do screen, the FTTY, USB serial 11520. So I'm just gonna press enter here to log onto my Edison. As you see, root password is password. So now we just go configure underscore Edison. That's Wi-Fi. So this is gonna take about 10 or 15 seconds here. You let that information load. This should show all the Wi-Fi's in our local area. So we're going to connect to Unite. Password is password. What's the password? We're going to type that in there. So after we type everything in, it's going to connect. This takes about 2 minutes. Just give it some time. It's just doing this thing here, initiating connection to the Unite 37E3. So we're gonna wait for it, and we got it. Okay, great. Moving on. So just check if this Wi-Fi is working. We're gonna ping Google, bing, 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 and bam, we're getting information back. So now let's actually post information from our Edison to this website, just like this. That's gonna be the end goal. So if we go here, what you want to do, you want to copy this code to the Edison so you can literally search it up on Google. K-Swain IoT Edison. Okay, that worked. Just try K-Swain 1. Okay, boom. So we're gonna click on the first link you see. Then you're gonna click on repositories, and it should be the one that says IoT underscore Edison. And here you want to clone this project to your Intel Edison. And then we're gonna copy this code. And then on our Intel Edison, we'll do git clone and that link that we had to our Intel Edison. And so, okay, oh, actually, I created this before. I'm going to have to delete that information. So I'm just going to remove that really fast. RM-R, RM, Edison. Oh, I forgot. RM, recursive remove, IoT underscore Edison. Okay, great. Now I should remove that. You don't have to worry about this if you don't have this problem. So now we're just going to start over. And then we're going to do git clone. Then copy that link again. So now it's cloning all those files into Edison. So now essentially what I have to do is go inside of that folder. We're going to do cd IoT underscore Edison. That is our GitHub repository that we download to our Edison. So we're going to go in there. We're going to go inside of it. And go cd all uppercase IoT. We're going to type, see what's all inside of here. Boom! All our code is there, what we need. So now we're going to use a text editor to edit our Edison code. But as well as these are the libraries that you're going to need with Python to make this all happen. So essentially what you have to do is install these different libraries: pip install request, pip install Emra, and these are the libraries that you'll need to make this Edison read the sensor information that you connected earlier during this experiment. So now we want to go inside of just to show you I'm getting these included files from. Well, I'm going to go inside of the Python file, and then here, this is the link, and we want to use our web app link here. This is the most important part. Focus on this. So you have to press I to edit information. You literally just click I and press enter. You can edit information on the text editor. So what I just did, I just copy the link, and then we're gonna paste everything here to move into Edison. Okay, it didn't properly work. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna press escape, then press U. So now we're gonna press I again. Just press I and just backspace. Backspace, backspace, backspace. T backspace all the link. Now we're gonna press just copy and paste their web app link to there, and then what we're gonna do, pass the parameters here. So I put Keelan as a parameter passing, and then last name I'll put Suzanne, and the last quotation, that's where you're gonna put information that you want to pass to your web app to be displayed. So we're just gonna press Shift WQ, Shift colon WQ to exit out. Now we're just gonna run our Python file, Python IOT Excel data information, and boom, we have sent information to our web app. And here we go, guys. So while we wait for drum roll, boom, we sent information. We just did that. We did that together as a team. Let's send some more information. We're excited. And here we go again. Boom. There we go. We can send some more things. Boom. And that is essentially our project that we completed today. We did it in around 15 minutes without the hardware connection, and we'll simply send information back and forward.